What's up, guys? Mopar Central here. Alright, this junkyard find. It's a 69 Charger. And, yeah, it doesn't have all the parts with it. So now, it's just sitting in the scrapyard. So I'm gonna restore it. Alright, I got it on the winch. So I'm just gonna pull it up on the trailer. And yeah, we'll go from there. Oh, come on. Alright, I got it on the trailer. So I'm gonna bring it to the workshop. Oh shoot, that's bad. Oh, my steering's broken. Alright, and we're back at the workshop. So I'm just gonna unload this and we're gonna start restoring it. Alright, 3, 2, 1, and boom. All cleaned up. Oh, pretty much. Yeah, it's good as new. Now, here's a little bit behind the scenes thing. So there's actually two of them, if it wasn't obvious. And so the first one, I lost the parts for it. And well, I didn't actually lose them, but I started using them for other things. And I also forgot how to put it back together. But the reason it's taken apart in the first place is I tried putting a friction motor, which is this thing, and well, I couldn't really. And I thought it'd be pretty cool to have a friction motor powered charger, you know. But yeah, it didn't look like the Charger anymore, so I just kind of scrapped it. So I didn't buy it. I actually got this as a Christmas present, which I didn't, the person that gave it to me didn't know I already had one. And I'm pretty grateful that I did get two of them, because now I have this nice shiny, and the tires are basically brand new, because I'm not driving around like DK, you know, drifting. I'm not just going like this around the kitchen table, because that really wears everything out. Also, I know that there's supposed to be some rim covers that are supposed to go on the wheels, but I think it looks way better without it. I do still have them though. So here's what it looks like with them. Alright, here's what it looks like with them. And I would keep them on, but the only problem is the entire thing is just one piece. Like this black, that shouldn't be there. It should just be emptiness. It would look a lot more realistic like that. And if it was that way, I would definitely keep them on. But if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button. And subscribe if you want to see more LEGO content. See ya.